you are going to love the 2014 INFINITI QX80. If you are in the market for a full-size luxury SUV with all the latest technology to make driving easier, look no further than the INFINITI QX80. It packs a strong engine, excellent manners, and a well-equipped cabin. The QX80 is the most fuel-efficient of its kind, and it's priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, aluminum wheels, running boards, heated side mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, auto-off headlights, remote trunk release, power driver mirrors. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.